Hello， 大家好，我是 Rolling Mandarin 的刘老师。Hi everyone, it is really nice to see you again. Well, today we will go for two different words. 认识还是知道呢？我们什么时候用认识，什么时候用知道呀？ This is even very difficult for Chinese people. Well, I will tell you how to use it today. When you go for 知道, it always means do you know? Have you heard of? So you can say 你知道 somebody, 你知道 something. Here are some examples. 你知道特朗普吗？你知道刘老师吗？你知道中国吗？ And I can even use this 知道 to connect a whole sentence. 你知道我爸爸妈妈下周来维也纳吗？ So we can use 知道 nearly in every situation when you want to go for have you heard of? Do you know someone? Okay. But 认识 you can only connect it with a certain person. 你认识特朗普吗？你认识刘老师吗？ But 你认识中国北京吗？No, this is wrong. Well, 认识 and 知道 when it both for know, this meaning, it also has a slight difference. 认识 always means that you personally know someone, and 知道 just heard of. Do you know anything about her? So when I say 你认识特朗普吗？ means maybe I work in the White House and I know him. 你知道特朗普吗？ I just sitting in front of the TV and I know, okay, I know this person. 你知道他们现在的区别了吗？ Never say 你认识他们的区别了吗？ So this is all for today. 今天就到这里了，下次见，拜拜。